Hello guys, it's DY's Monkey here, and I have a brand new site where all my ticket information for concerts and tours, where all live events, and where anything live will be. It is called The Wise Monkey Live at dwisemonkeylive.weebly.com, and right here about the Wise Monkey brings you right here. Concerts. Currently, there's no upcoming concerts, guys. Live events. No upcoming live events. Photos. So far, no photos available yet, but there will be. Click here to go to the official The Wise Monkey Store's webpage, and also to buy some of my additional music on CD, baby. You can click right there, and here is a whole bunch of CD, baby, additional downloads of my songs. Albums are $13, but 99 cents per single. And also, albums, of course, are on the CD for $13 as well. Goodbye, guys. Please subscribe. Remember, like down below for a banana.